What's up guys, UDRC here, back with another vid. Got the HPI Racing Maverick Quantum XT Flux here. It's a 110 scale Truggy. It's water resistant, ready to run. Obviously it's an off-road vehicle. It's 4-wheel drive, come pre-painted and everything. Comes with 2.4 gigahertz radio. It also gives you, for the powerhouse would be a 3300 kV brushless motor. And it does have an ESC that's capable of 2 and 3S LiPos. Has metal servo gear, enclosed receiver box, covered spur gear, keep all the dirt and rocks out of the gears, durable pillow ball suspension in the front, and it also has oil-filled adjustable shocks on it. Alright, again, it's a quick little, I'm about to pop it up out of the box, take a look at it. Something new that HPI got out, so we're going to take a look and see what she look like. Alright, so already got one side cut. Cut the second side open, so you can see what this guy look like, y'all. Alright, take the cover off. Alright, so tilt the box away so you can see what it looks like on the inside. That's pretty much what it looks like, guys. Got your little manual here. This is like a little heat sink. It's like a plastic tool, which I doubt I'll be using that. Has your antenna tube. There's your little manual, whatever, little sticker. Alright, that's the side. Got your radio. Just back a little bit so you guys can see better. Radio look like has the MVK on the top right here. All right, rubber grip, no switch in the back. There's your little trim buttons here. All right, have your little adjusters up top here. All right, you got your channel 1, channel 2 reverse, and you have your EPAs. High and low for channel 2, which will be your throttle, which is pretty cool. You can turn it down or up, you know, for one little kids to drive. The trigger feels decent, pretty good pull on it, I guess. All right, off the side. Now, so you can get the truck out of here, little Truggy. All right, so if we look at it, it is, I guess it's like a true to form 10 scale. It's not that big. It's not like a, 10 scale we have, these look like a 7 scale, nothing like that. Alright, so let me cut this out so we can see what she look like, guys. Alright, one. Two. Alright, guys. Get out of there. It's pretty light. Not that heavy. So the wheels looked a little more, the pictures look orange, but here it looks a little, I don't know, pinkish, reddish, I don't know. Not a big deal. Alright, so body back on. Actually take a look. See what she looks like. Suspension doesn't really rebound as quick. It's kind of seems a little stiff, I think. Yeah, it seems a little stiff to me. But again, they go for about 200, 209, something like that. Tires feels okay. Leave us vented. Okay. Alright. So you guys what should look like. Got the wheelie bar in the back. wing actually has clips. You can remove the wing just with 2 clips, I guess. No screws on there. This is the body. A lot of flex to it. I guess that should be good for bashing. It doesn't just crack. Has plastic chassis. See, it has 2, I guess, braces here. I guess you could, remove the braces, have easy access. Maybe take it off 2 parts. I like that it has a plastic chassis on it. That's what it looks like. All right, has the ESC here, 3300 motor kV, and it is sealed up. All right, the servo up top here. Receiver box does have Dean's connectors. I will be taking these off and putting XT90s only because I don't really have any batteries to run that except for my Corolla batteries is pretty small. So we're putting XT90s on here. Just looking at it. Oh, it has pivot balls on all 4 corners. You could just hold the camber and toes, camber and toe on it. See the link back here, you can adjust it. All right. It had threaded shocks. Threaded shocks all the way around. All right, the front is CVDs. And the rear is just regular dog bones. And it's metal. Center drive shaft is metal as well. Pretty decent battery tray. Wonder if it is adjustable. It might be. I can double check it later on. All right, but I mean overall it seems pretty alright. Everything seems to be in working order. I believe it has a 13-tooth pinion on it. That comes standard. I didn't see any gears, any optional gear in the bag, so I guess that would just be that. And I believe it's 32 pitch as well. So yeah, I mean it's pretty. Just a quick little unboxing. It is pretty early in the morning right now, so won't be doing any running. Plus I have to switch the connectors out for XT90s. I don't have any connectors for that. And also I went on HPI website and I did print out a manual on the ESC and be able to program it. You're able to do running mode, your drag brake, low voltage cutoff, start mode, and max brake force. So you have about 5 different menus and settings you can do with this ESC, and it looks like the same process like the BLX 185 or the Hobby Wing. You hold the set button, turn on all the beeps and all that good stuff. So that's something pretty cool. All right. So again, just real quick, just a quick unboxing of it. I will do a running video here really soon. Again, it's pretty early in the morning, so won't be going outside doing any running, but I just wanted to come out here and show you guys this truck. This is an HPI Quantum Flux. Alright. Again, as usual, man, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.